Beyond the Holei Pali turnout, and just past mile marker 15, on the southeast side of the road, a good-sized lava tube may be seen in the road cut. There is a parking turnout just past the tube entrance. With care and a bike helmet, the tube can be explored for nearly 30 meters until breakdown pinches it out. The tube has numerous skylights, so a flashlight is not absolutely necessary, but is recommended. A walk to the top of the hill, which overlies the tube entrance, brings one to the skylights along the cave and wonderful glimpses down into the fern paradise that grows within. Remember that lava tube skylights are collapse features, so do not approach the edges too closely. They are unstable and unsafe.